4.4-speed automatic with overdrive, new tires and spray-in BEDLINER. Oh yeah. Yes. 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 You don't have to worry about depreciation on this handsome 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The guy before you got it all. What a guy! New Car Test Drive said. A smooth ride and confident handling, while delivering superior capability and power among the smoothest riding and quietest of all full-size pickups, and can be counted on to get the job done. Awarded Consumer Guides rating as a 2008 recommended large pickup. Sorry daytime soap fans. No sordid history on this one-owner gem. Ask us about our lifetime warranty.